Now on this video here, we're just going to cover on the on our M series head unit, how you hook to the hotspot on your Android phone here. So scroll down from the top. You can obviously scroll across. Sometimes I come up in here, you'll have your hotspot. If you don't, go into your settings, go into network and internet, hotspot and tethering, and you can turn your hotspot on here. Now it's going to be called that, and your password is going to be whatever it is. And on your head unit here, just want to scroll down, click and hold on the Wi-Fi icon that just obviously came up. Sometimes you have to turn this on. That's easy. Just turn it off and on with this slider here. Sometimes you have to turn it off and on to see a new network that has just obviously come up. Now it was A9 Pro, and the password is factory password here, which is some long obscure one. So you can actually change this on your own phone. So if you do use your hotspot quite a lot, you've probably already changed this. If you don't actually use your hotspot, you might not have changed it. And then hopefully I got that right. Oh, it's dropped back out for some reason. And then I've just actually turned it off and back on then, and you can see we're connected to it, so that's good, but it's saying I have no internet, and it's saying I have no internet because this phone actually doesn't have a SIM card in it. But that is how you would hook it up to the hotspot on an Android phone.